there! Thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. This video is part of the series of videos I'm posting to try to help people out in how to aptitude tests like the civil service exam. This video in particular is part of my series on math. Today we're going to talk about work word problems. Now, I already made a series of videos regarding this a long time ago. Kaya lang medyo malabo pa yon at wala pa akong tablet at the time, so hindi ko pa masyado ma-illustrate. So today, we're going to talk about that. If you have a copy of the workbook, yung workbook number 1 natin, you can turn to page 21. Page 21 yung work problems page natin. I'm going to use this as an example. Also, make sure that you answer the exercises below para ma-solidify yung learning ninyo. Alright? So, I'm going to switch over to my PC. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung first in a series of videos. Ngayon, yung pinaka-basic muna. Yung one of them works a number of hours, the other works a number of hours. Ano yung magiging hours pag magkasama sila at nagtutulungan sila. Alright? So, I'll see you in a bit.
Alright, let's talk about work word problems. Simple work word problems to. Ito yung pinaka-basic. The things that you have to remember are yung rules ng equality when you're solving that. So if you haven't seen the video lesson on that, go and watch that first. You also have to know yung concept ng addition and ng multiplication and ng finding ng least common denominator when it comes to fractions. Kasi the formula of work word problems involves fractions. Okay? So let's try to solve this one together. I'm going to show you how to do it, and then I'm going to ask you to solve a problem by yourself. Okay? Ito yung question. Sabi, it takes Danny 3 hours to wash the car. Sandy takes 6 hours to complete this same job. If they work together, how long would they take? So again, ang simple word problems, work word problems operates under this idea. May isang tao, ito yung number of hours that he or she does something, ito yung kabilang tao, paano pag magkasama sila? Now, the formula looks like this. Wala tayong magagawa dyan. There's no work around that. You just have to remember kung ano yung mga components nito at kung paano siya gamitin. Okay? Now, itong first part ng formula nito, yung 1 over, okay? Diyan mo ilalagay kung ilang oras yung isa sa kanila. So, si Danny daw, 3 hours. Ibig sabihin, ilagay natin dito 1 over 3 hours siya. Si Sandy takes 6 hours. So, itong pangalawang box na to, lagyan natin dito 6. Again, saan yan nanggaling? Dito. Okay? Si Danny, 6 si Sandy. Pag mag-isa sila, yun yung ilalagay nyo sa ilalim bilang denominator. Okay? Now, dito sa side na to, dito mo ilalagay kung ilang oras sila together. And nakalagay dito, if they work together, how long would they take? Ito yung hinahanap. How long would they take if they work together? Ito yung magiging x natin. So, this becomes x equals this. Now, itong part na to, this is the work or the job. Okay? Nagagawin nila. And since isang kotse ang hugasan nilang pareho, this becomes 1. Kung ilan yung work na gagawin. Okay? So, again, ito yung dun sa isang person. Person A. This is person B. This is if they are together, and this is yung job nila. Pag alam na natin kung paano yan i-plot, pwede na natin i-solve. Now, the next thing that you're going to do here, okay, is to solve itong nasa ilalim. So, 1/3 plus 1 over 6. So, when you do that, okay, hanapin natin yung least common denominator nila. Ang LCD niyan is going to be 6 over 6 yan. So, 6 divided by 3 times 1, that is 2 times 1, 2. Plus, and then you have 6 divided by 6, which is 1, times 1, which is going to be 1. Bakit? Kasi, okay, ang 1/3, okay, 1/3 is equal to 2 over 6. Okay, kinonvert lang natin siya. Multiply natin pareho sa 2. Yun lang yung operating principle nun. Eto, dahil 6 na yung apelido niya, wala ka nang kailangan baguhin. Again, watch the fraction series if hindi nyo to makuha, okay? Kasi dito ko nakikita yung mga comments sa mga tao, hindi nila alam kung paano naging 2 over 6 yan. Watch the video on fractions muna if you haven't yet, okay? Understand that first before you even try this kasi mas complicated na to, okay? So, 2 plus 1 over 6, and then kokopyahin lang natin x is equal to 1, okay? So, itong 2 plus 1 over 6, that is 3 over 6, or 1/2 na lang. 3 over 6 is equal to 1/2. X is equal to 1. Now, para mangyari na makancel itong 2 na to, i-multiply natin both sides sa 2. That is going to be x is equal to 2. So, the answer is 2 hours. Okay? Ngayon, yung naguluhan naman dito, go and watch yung ating video on equalities. Okay? Na-solve na, pinakita ko na sa inyo kung paano nangyayari yan, paano nakakancel yung divide-divide na yan. Watch that para maintindihan nyo to. Okay? Now, again, you just have to take it one step at a time. There is actually a way for you to guess kung ano yung sagot sa multiple choice questions. That is something that I teach exclusively sa live review events. Dahil medyo mahirap siya i-explain pagdating sa videos lang. So if you're attending one of the live review events, I'm going to teach you how to do that. Okay, how to solve this problem without solving this. But if you want to make sure kung ano yung sagot, then this is the best way to do it. Okay? So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to ask you to solve a problem. Okay? So if you want to screenshot this para makita ninyo, makompare nyo dun sa kabila, go and do that. Okay? This is the question. Okay? So, hit pause now. All right, let's see how you did, okay, if you got this right. Ang question is this: it takes Danny 8 hours to wash the car. Sandy takes 12 hours to complete this same job. If they work together, how long would they take? So again, ito yung ating formula right here. 1 over A plus 1 over B times X. Ito yung quantity na yun times X is equal to the job. Okay? So, ipa-plug lang natin lahat ng mga information dun sa tama nilang lugar. Okay? So, si Danny, 8 hours. So, itong 8, lalagyan natin dito sa ilalim. 1 over 8. Si Sandy, 12 hours pag mag-isa. Okay? Ito yung pag mag-isa sila. Si Sandy, 12 hours. So, lagyan natin dito, 12. And then, what we're going to do next is lagyan natin dito kung ano yung hinahanap. This is X, yung how long would they work together. Ito yan, X. And then, this becomes 1. Kasi isa lang din naman ang hugasan nilang kotse. Okay? Once you have this, you can go ahead and solve for yung LCD ng 8 and 12. So, that is going to be 24. Okay? So, over 24 sila. 24 divided by 8. Okay? 24 divided by 8 is 3 times 1. That is going to be 3. Plus, and then 12 is going to be 24 divided by 12. It's going to be 2 times 1. That is going to be 2. Okay? X is equal to 1. And then, ito i-add lang natin. You have 3 plus 2. That is going to be 5 over 24. And this is going to be X is equal to 1. Okay? Now, what do we do with this? You can do it a number of ways actually. Papakita ko sa inyo both. Ito yung una, ito yung step by step. Ang step by step niyan is going to be like this. Yung 24, para ma-cancel siya, okay? Ang gagawin natin, i-multiply natin both sides by 24. Okay? So, magiging 24 times 5 over 24x, okay? Is equal to 1. Multiply natin dito at dito, makakancel ito. Magiging 5x is equal to 24, kasi yung 24, i-multiply mo rin siya sa 1. I-divide mo ngayon both sa 5 kasi para ma-cancel ito. So, this is going to be over 5. X is equal to 24 over 5. Okay? That is the answer. That is the first option. You can do it like that. Or, an even faster way is, you would just multiply it with the reciprocal. Let me show you. 5 over 24 x, okay, is equal to 1. I-multiply mo lang ang reciprocal. Ang sinabing reciprocal, okay, that is yung kabaliktaran ng fraction. So, ito 5 over 24, i-multiply mo siya instead sa 24 over 5. Okay? Ngayon, bakit ko to sinasuggest when it comes to work word problems? Kasi usually 1 naman yun nandito. Okay? And if you do that, ganito mangyayari. Makakancel yung 5 kasi nandun siya. Yung 24, makakancel din siya. Magiging 1 yan. So, x is equal to, and then, ikokopyahin mo lang yan. Kasi times 1 lang naman. That is 24 over 5. It's the same answer. 24 over 5. Or, kung isa smallest terms natin, that is going to be 4 and 4 over 5 hours. Okay? Kung kailangan gawing minutes, okay? Kasi sometimes, yung mga tao naguguluhan kasi hindi daw 4 and 4 over 5 yung nakalagay. Nakalagay 4 hours and some minutes. What do you do? Basically, you just multiply this by 60, no? 4/5. Okay? Gagawin mo lang siyang over 60. So, 4 and, okay? Over 60. Kung gagawin ko over 60 yan, and I need to show you this kasi ang other option mo would be 4 divided by 5. That is a decimal. So, 0.8 times 60. Papakita ko ha. 4 over 5. And then, you just have to multiply it by 60. Okay? This is another option. So, gagawin mo tong decimal. That is going to be 0.8 times 60. Kaya lang maraming allergic sa decimal. So, kung ayaw nyo ng decimal, ang gagawin nyo na lang is yung ginagawa nating ratio rotation. Okay? It's bound to give you the same answer. Ganito yon. So, 4 over 5 is equal to blank over 60. So, sa 60 minutes, ilan yon? Ikot lang natin siya. You have 60 divided by 5. Okay? That is going to give you 12. Times 4, this is going to give you 48. So, the answer is 4 hours and 48 minutes. Okay? Ito naman, same thing din naman kasi kung i-multiply mo yung 0.8 sa 60, that is going to move lang ng isang beses. This is makakancel yan. 6 times 8 is still 48. So, 48 din naman siya pareho. 'Di ba? Ang difference lang would be kung anong method ang gusto ninyo. Again, ang goal ko dito sa team is for you to see yung options ninyo na mga pwedeng gawin and then pick whatever works for you. Okay? So, ito sa akin, mas madito kasi yung iba yung dito pa lang sa 4 divided by 5, medyo nahihintuan na sila dyan eh. So, kung kayo yung tipo ng tao naguguluhan sa ganyan, ratio rotation na lang ang pwede natin gawin if you want to get yung minutes. Alright? But the advice would be, alam nyo na 4, lagpas ng 4, tingnan nyo na lang yung options. Ano yung lagpas ng 4? So, 4 and some minutes. Kung isa lang yun, shadean nyo na agad kahit hindi nyo i-convert. Okay? Para to save time. Alright? So, practice, practice, practice.
Alright, I hope you learned something new today. If you did, click thumbs up. Make sure to share this video with your friends, lalo na kung mag-exam din sila. If you have a copy of workbook number 1, make sure that you answer the exercises sa ilalim. If you don't and you want a copy, you can go to www.facebook.com/Team Lyqa to find out how you can get a copy of your own. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you share this video with your friends para matulungan din sila. Hit the bell icon para malaman ninyo as soon as a new video posts. Lalo na yung mga susunod kasi the next time we're going to talk about a different kind of word problem. Okay? So thank you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Aja, kaya niyo yan. Bye for now.